In this video we will have a look how to make upload fields appear according to, for example, selected quantity. For example, here one picture is required for one person, for two persons 2 pictures, for 3 persons 3 pictures, for 4 persons 4 pictures. So first of all, it requires that you will add all of these 4 options here. These are the regular Shopify product settings. And then let me show to you how to make all these buttons appear according to selection and already disappear again. So I will show it to you. So you will see here person 1, 2, 3, 4. And what you will see here for one person, if I go here to choose variants, we see in the targeting it will appear for all of them. That means this button number 1, will appear on 1, 2, 3 and 4 persons. You will see that's the first button, person 1, and you will see it stays, it stays, it stays, it stays. That means as soon as we select the second one, we need another button which will appear, but just if number 2 is selected. But this button number 2 will also appear on 3 and 4. So what we will do is, let me show it to you. I will go back and I will scroll down until we see person 2, and person 2 button is set to variant 2, 3 and 4. And now we can just proceed also with another button. For example, person number 3. Person number 3 just has to appear on 2 variants. Let me show it to you. 3 and 4. And the last one, person number 4. So all of them are separate upload fields. Has to appear for option number 4. And you will also see here, if we go through again, that all these buttons will also stay for all the other variants. You can just do the variant selection through the variant selector, and then according to your selection you can make buttons appear and disappear according to what you need and what you require.